So today I'm going to show you how to clone a group using Security Explorer. So for example, I have this group here in the parent folder called AAadmin, and you want to give another group the same permissions that this group has in the parent folder and under all the subfolders that you see over here. In this case, this permission is inherited in all the folders, but in this one, on test B, this group was given explicit modified permission. So the idea of cloning a group is that it will give the same permissions that the source group have to the target group, the same way it has in all the folder levels. So for example, to accomplish this, we go to the parent folder, we right click, and then go to clone group or users. So here I'm going to select my source group, and in this section over here, I'm going to select a target group. It's going to be AA users. So I am going to clone AA user after AA admin. And as I mentioned before, it will grant the same permissions that AA admin have to this target group in all the folder levels, the same way it is set in each folder and subfolders. So let's click add to add the, and then this is important. To accomplish what we want, we need to select this option, include protected objects when cloning. Objects with inherited permissions from parent disabled. If we do not include this option, then it will simply give this AA user group the same permission that this group has on the parent folder in all the folder levels. So it will not give the modify or explicit permissions that were modified in some folders. So this is important. So select this and then click OK. Okay, this completed, no errors detected. Now we're going to do a little validation. So on the test parent folder, we see that user have the same permissions as admin, right? On test A, it inherited the same permissions. On test B, as you see, user has modified permissions. So it was given the same permission that AA admin had explicitly given here. And then test C, it goes back to read and execute, and test D, read and execute. So that's it. That's the way you clone a group with all the permissions in all folder levels, from parent to all subfolders.